G'day everyone, Gareth here from Fraser Coast Food Forest. Just wanted to show you the bees at night. It's hot and humid tonight, and I want to go have a look at what the bees are up to. Dodge all these cane toads. There. Alright, let's have a look. Have a look at that. Have a look at them all. It's because it's really hot tonight. And they're trying to keep the hive cool. Obviously they're all home. If they were all in there, it would overheat. Have a look at them. See if I can get close to them. Doesn't really do it justice, but... And right now you can see all these bees flapping their wings. They're extracting the air out of the hive. If I go down, my face is now level with that opening of the hive, and all I'm getting is the smell of honey. It's a bit windy tonight as well, so they're all swinging around a bit. But that is amazing. And as soon as it gets light tomorrow, most of them will be gone. Oh, one just flew out at me. So that's time to leave before I get stung. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Give us a big thumbs up, which you can't see. I'll see you in the next video. Take care everyone, bye.